Good evening, guys. Hope you're all doing well today. Hope you guys are having a great day or night wherever you are in the world today. Money Star 365 here, and I'm going to do another video for you guys on the $25 one-up system and one of the great features that's been added to the system. Okay, so first things first, we're going to go down to the resources tab. Now, PowerPoint. All right. I'm going to show you the PowerPoint. I'm not going to show you everything inside of the PowerPoint because it would take a little while to show everything, all right? This was created by the founder of the $25 one-up system, okay? Now, 25 features and benefits. All these attachments here are basically for proof purposes, okay? So what this allows you to do, what I've done, I've printed out everything here, right? All the proof, all of the features and benefits, and I can use this for offline marketing method, which is what I actually plan to do. So I have all the papers that have come out from the PDFs. I've created a separate binder for them, and I'm using them for my offline marketing. So that way, if I so happen to come across someone who's looking for an opportunity to earn extra income, we can talk about business, and I can show them a list of features and benefits, and I can also show them proof of people having success with the opportunity. Okay, so it's sort of a win-win. Okay, and even though it's more than 25 features and benefits for this amazing opportunity, the 25 that are in the PDF are the main 25, which it includes the no monthly fees, it includes the member to member, it includes the daily income you can earn from the system, it includes the fact you can edit your dashboard video, the fact that you get pre-written ads, and so much more. Guys, again, this opportunity gives you so much value, so many benefits, and not only that, but again, it also gives you access to trainings that can help you in other businesses as well. With this opportunity, you're also able to promote your primary business as well on the back end. Okay, so that way you're not only getting leads for this, but let's say, for example, if you're in my econ, you're getting leads for that also through this system. Okay, so one of the main features, again, that I'd like to talk about is a digital franchise funnel. All right, now this funnel is very important because it allows you to promote multiple opportunities in the one link. All right, so I'm going to show you how I have mine set up. Okay, so basically I'm able to promote 6 different opportunities in one. Okay, you already have the $25 one-up opportunity here. I can promote my earn dollar per qualified member opportunity here, the generation tool, mailbox profits, the lightning, and best of work. So multiple opportunities under one link. Okay, so when you become a member, guys, when you sign up, become a paid member, you get access to the same digital franchise funnel that I'm showing you right now. This is alone in itself, to me, worth the price of admission because a lot of people nowadays have multiple opportunities that they choose to promote online, and this gives you that one link to promote everything in one place. All right. So, in addition to the instant daily payments into 25, 100, 250, 500, and $1,000 payments that you guys can earn with the system. As I said, you're getting a lot of training as well to take with you into other business opportunities that you choose to promote in the future or whenever you choose to promote another opportunity. Okay. Again, I don't really want to go into details of everything because at the end of the day, guys, you've probably seen a lot of YouTube videos on here about this opportunity, but this opportunity is real, and it's just that simple, guys. So what I need you to do, I need you to click the link in the description section. I need you to check it out. And don't hesitate to sign up, guys. If you have any questions, message me, leave a comment below the video, and I'll definitely get back to you. Or if you want, you can find me on Facebook at MoneyStar365. You can send me a message there as well, and I'll get back to you on that also. But again, guys, before I go, I just want to say that this opportunity is real. It's one of the best opportunities that I've ever come across in my online marketing days. And at the bottom, you see people are earning money left and right with this opportunity. You just saw that someone earned $250 with the business. Okay, and someone recently purchased hosting fees. So, bottom line, guys, the business works. People are joining left and right. You get paid daily. No waiting for a week or 2 weeks. You have access to a whole bunch of features here, right? A whole bunch of features in this general area right here alone. All the features are clickable. Once you click on the level you're at, you get access to everything in one shot. So don't wait, guys. Don't be a skeptic. Don't be one of those people that believes everything is a scam, because I assure you this is not a scam. All right, this is the real deal. And again, click the link in the description. Sign up and get started today. Start earning your daily income today. All right, guys. You have a great night, and I will see you on my next video. Take care. God bless, and enjoy your night.